Okay, let's today we will be discuss the shortest distance between two skew lines. It is a very important topic from our exam point of view. So distance between two skew lines, the formula of this one is D equals to B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. And because it is a distance, so that's why we take the absolute value. Okay, with this we discuss the question related to this one. First of all, I would like to explain you here the skew lines. What is the skew lines? In a space that line which neither intersect and nor parallel is called the skew lines. In other language, if you want to say, the non-coplanar lines are called the skew lines. So here we will be find out the shortest distance between these two lines. So how we can find out? The solution of this question is we compare the equation of this one. R equals to A1 plus lambda B1. R equals to A1 plus lambda B1 and R equals to A2 plus lambda B2. So what is the value of A1 here? Here A1 is equal to I plus J, B1 is equal to 2I minus J plus K, A2 is equal to, A2 is here, what is A2 here? That is A2 is here 2I plus J minus K and B2 is here 3I minus 5J plus 2. Okay, so for calculating the D, here we want A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So what is the value of here A2 minus A1? 2I minus I, that will be equal to I. J minus J, that will be a 0. Minus K, and here is the 0K. So that will be equal to A2 minus A1. So that will be minus K. Now B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2. So how we find out this cross product? As we know, we can find out this cross product with the help of this determinant. I, J, K and B1 is here. What is B1? 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 5, 2. So here we calculate I. What is the value of I here? Minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5, that will be equal to 3I. Okay, what about J? J is equal to 2 to the 4 or minus 3. 2 to the 4 or minus 3, that will be equal to 2 to the 4 minus 3, that will be equal to 1. So that will be equal to 2 to the 4 and minus 3 and minus sign is here. So it is J equals to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, that will be equal to 1. When we calculate it, that will be equal to minus J. Next, for K, minus 10 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3. So that will be equal to minus 10 plus 3. So that will be equal to minus 7. Minus 7. Okay. We also want the determinant of this one. The determinant of this one will be B1 cross B2. The determinant of this one will be under root 3 square plus 1 square plus 7 square. So it will be equal to 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 plus 49. So 49 and 150 is equal to under root 59. So we put this value in the formula of D. We put this value in the formula of D, and that will be equal to D. D equals to B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. So this is dot, this is a dot product. And what is the dot product? As we know, I dot I, J dot J and K dot K all are equals to 1 because the angle of cos 0 is equal to 1. Okay. So we put this value B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 is this one. When we multiply it by this one, I minus K. So this, it will be equal to 3I 3, 0 J 0 K minus 0 minus 7 plus 7 upon under root 59. When we calculated it, this will be equal to 10 upon under root 59. So this is the shortest distance between these two lines. I hope you will be understand these questions. Okay, thank you all of you.